call the House to order. Let us take up question number 98, brought by Sri Heaving Karpran. Sri Prestone, Deputy Chief Minister in charge, to reply, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to the question 98. Sir, the road from Happy Valley to Mawshibuit village belongs to the Public Works Department, except for a stretch of 600 meters which falls within the GTC lands.
Your supplementary question, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. May I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister that whether this army has the legal documents to claim the ownership of this road of 600 meters?
Sir, yes, in fact, in my level, I had a meeting with the district administration where ultimately we found out few important documents relating to this particular stretch, and it was notified way back in 1972, which these 600 meters belongs to the defense lands.
So, will the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister be pleased to place in the table on the House to comment?
Yes, sir. That gadget I will do it. I'll place it.
Another one, sir. In the last few days, not long ago, sir, while the PWD department was taking up the repairing of the road in this part, Mawshibuit. So I don't know whether they repaired the 600 meters or beyond that, because while they did the repairing works, the army personnel came and disrupted those people who are doing the repairing works.
Yes, sir. In fact, again, the Deputy Commissioner has convened a meeting on the 13th of February 2025 relating to the ongoing repairing works outside the 600 meters, because the army seems the defense, they claim that this road belongs to them, meaning outside that 600 meters. But ultimately, sir, after the meeting, this issue has been resolved, and even the GTC officials, they allowed the repairing work to go on.
Sir, I request a comment, sir, to settle the matter, sir, because many times the army people used to be a threat to our people also there, sir. Whatever they do, they used to disrupt. So I request a comment, sir, to the Deputy Chief Minister in charge of road, that to this assure us that to find out the permanent solution on this long pending conflict, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will again review this matter maybe after a few weeks from now. But for the information of the honourable member and also the members of this August House, sir, from the department, we are also exploring the possibility of having a new alignment completely, which will not touch the defense land at all. And one proposal, in fact, we have where we explore is the road or the bypass from Maulangat to Mawshibuit, Mawshibuit to Maulanray, and Maulanray to Maukasiang. So right now, sir, we are exploring. In fact, I would humbly request the honourable member from Maurangkadeng constituency if he can also help us out, because right now we are requesting the landowners, if they can part their land, then this bypass can be created for the interest of this entire region or the entire belt, sir.
Thank you, sir. I assure you, sir, that I will cooperate on this matter, sir. Last question, sir. I request, sir, that if the department concerned, take up this think that to clearly demark this 600 meters route which claim the army, sir, immediately you should clearly demarcate this 600 meters, sir.
Yes, sir. It was already properly demarcated. Demarcated in the sense that they put up a gate, entry and then exit. So the gate was falling under that 600 meters, which the land belongs to the defense land.